Friends, welcome to Lakshmi Arts, and today's video is all about making Rakhis for Rakshabandhan. This Rakshabandhan, let's make two beautiful Rakhis with similar technique. The step-by-step procedure of making these Rakhis, right from the raw materials to making the tassels, is explained in a detailed manner in this video. The difficulty level is super easy for making these Rakhis. Stay tuned till the end to see the set of beautiful Rakhis, and let's celebrate this lovely tradition together. Friends, let's make these two Rakhis in this video. Let's see what all materials we require for this. We need stone chain with stone and pearl sequence. Next is the decorative stone button, pearl divider, kundan in leaf shape and circle shape, some beads of different sizes and color, cutting tool and fabric glue, embroidery thread, OHP sheet cutout. Let's start making the first Rakhi by taking the OHP sheet cutout and sticking the stone button in the center. Let's apply glue and stick the stone chain next. And then let's take kundan stones. First the leaf shape and then the circle shape. Depending upon the size of the Rakhi required, we can add or reduce the kundan shapes. Once the stones are stuck, let's keep it aside to dry completely. Once dry, let's cut the shape out according to the design. Next, let's take the red embroidery thread and measure 6 times on the scale as shown. Let's fold it into half. Similarly, let's take yellow and orange color thread of the same length. Fold it into half and gather all the 3 threads together as shown. Now holding one end, twist the threads in one direction. Go on twisting till the threads start curling on their own. Once the whole length of the thread is twisted, fold it into half and straighten it to get a twisted cord. Tie the end into a knot to keep it from uncoiling. Taking a backing paper circle, let's stick this cord onto it using the hot glue gun. This backing paper circle is little bigger than the decorative patch made earlier. Stick the decorative patch onto the coiled thread circle using hot glue gun. Now let's take the embroidery thread approx 18 to 20 inches, fold it into half. Taking another backing paper circle, stick the thread at the center as shown. Again stick the Rakhi circle over it, giving the Rakhi a neat look. Next, let's add some beads onto the thread. Again dividing the thread in 3 parts to fill some white seed beads as shown. and locking the beads with a knot. Add a tassel at the end of the thread as shown. Instead of the tassel, we can add a pom-pom or a bead. Here one side of the Rakhi is complete with tassel. Similarly, let's make the other side too. Here our one design of Rakhi is ready. Now let's make the other design, which is similar technique but using different decorative materials. For the second design, we need some stone pearl dividers, small gold dividers, stone patch, silver sequins, gota flower, small white stones, and some colorful beads. Again, taking the OHP sheet cutout, let's stick the decorative items one by one as shown. Keep it aside to dry and cut the shape out once it is dried. Using hot glue gun, stick the patch over the gota flower. Taking 18 to 20 inches thread, let's stick it over a backing paper of the same size as the gota flower. And stick the decorative patch over it. Now add some colorful beads onto the thread, locking it with a knot. Add a tassel as shown earlier. Complete the other side too with the same beads arrangement along with the tassel. Friends, here we have completed making a set of beautiful designer Rakhis and they are ready to be used this Rakhi festival. Wishing all our viewers a very happy Rakshabandhan and thanks for watching the video.